Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add a border to your design in Canva. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your existing design in Canva. Once your design loads on the screen, direct your attention to the left sidebar where you'll see various menu options. Click on Elements to access Canva's library of shapes, graphics, and design components. This is where you'll find all the tools needed to create your custom border. Now, in the Search Elements field at the top of the Elements panel, type Rectangle. This will filter the results and show you different rectangle options available in Canva. Look for the basic rectangle shape under the Shape section and click on it. This simple shape will serve as the foundation for your border. The rectangle will appear on your canvas. Next, you'll need to resize it to fit your entire design. Drag the corner handles of the rectangle outward and stretch it until it covers the full page. Make sure the rectangle extends all the way to the edges of your canvas so that it creates a proper border frame around your content. With the rectangle selected, look at the top toolbar where you'll see a Fill Color tile. Click on it to open the color options. Here's the important part. Select No Color, which is the transparent option marked with a diagonal line. This step removes the solid fill from the rectangle, leaving only the outline visible, which is exactly what you need for a border effect. Now it's time to customize your border. Click on the Border option in the toolbar and select your preferred line style. You can choose between solid, dashed, or dotted lines depending on the look you're going for. After selecting the style, adjust the stroke weight to make your border thicker or thinner. Increasing the stroke weight creates a bolder, more prominent border, while decreasing it gives you a subtle, delicate frame. Next, choose your border color by clicking on the color picker. You can select from Canva's preset colors or enter a custom hex code to match your brand colors or design theme. This allows you to create a border that perfectly complements your overall design aesthetic. Finally, if your border is covering any of your content, you'll need to adjust its layer position. Right-click on the border, navigate to Layer, and select Send Backward. Alternatively, you can use the Position panel to move the border behind your other design elements. This ensures your border frames your content without hiding any important parts of your design. And that's it. You've successfully added a custom border to your Canva design, giving it a polished, professional look. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.